Alright, hi, this is Dylan again. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is the Thursday on the 23rd of October. Alright, so we're going to start off with the euro against the US dollar. Well, unfortunately, yesterday I did mention about this trade itself for a long opportunity as price has reaches the bottom of a rising trend channel. By the way, this is the 4-hourly chart, but unfortunately, price has broken below the rising trend channel. Alright, and we also noted that price actually gotten resisted at 200 moving averages. Alright, not only just that, there was actually a previous falling trend channel. Alright, let me just pull it for you. Alright, this is the Alright, so this was the previous falling trend channel, and zooming in back to the 4-hourly chart, we can see that price has actually gotten resisted pretty strongly by the previous at the bottom of the previous falling trend channel. Alright, and that could be the reason. Alright, and right now price has reached the final exhaustion level measured by Fibonacci expansion at the price of 1.2633. So we can see the price currently is being supported here, but seems to be breaking below very soon. And if it breaks below, that would really means that the major retracement might be over, and price may continue to depreciate even further. And if that's the case, then we will wait for further retracement before we go for a short opportunity. Or if not, when price reaches the previous low at 1/2500, that might be a long opportunity again to trade the retracement. Alright, so that's euro against the US dollar. Next, we shall look at the dollar against the yen. Well, dollar against the yen, it has rebounded off from the final exhaustion level of 105.53, and then it got resisted at 107.37, came down again and gained, and got resisted again at the resistance level 107.37. Alright, so the thing is that we want to know if it's going to break above this resistance level, because that will also means that again the major retracement for this pair might be coming to the end, and the price may just continue to appreciate further from here. And if that's the case, again, we're going to wait for retracement, and we're going to wait for an opportunity to go for a long. Alright, or rather, we can actually even try to plot to see if there's any probable formation over here. Like maybe there might be a rising trend, a probable rising trend channel. So if price breaks above, it hits the top, it came down and hit the bottom of the probable rising trend channel, then that might be a chance for a long trade. Alright, so that's for the dollar against the yen. Next, we shall look at the pound against the dollar. Alright, here's something that's quite interesting. So there is a probable falling trend channel, as you can see here. Price has broken a falling trend line previously over here, and it came all the way down and got supported again at the upside of this falling trend line. So that might means that because price has not appreciated that much to hit the top of a probable rising falling trend channel, and right now it got supported at the previous falling trend line, and if we see signs of rebound, that would mean that price might just appreciate even further to the top of this probable rising trend channel. Alright, so right now there might be an opportunity for long, and stochastic has also suggested oversold. So, and if it rises, of course the first level we're going to look at is somewhere here, right at the price of 1.61.87. Then we shall look at the top, and once it reaches the top, then we'll see if there's a reversal signal or whatsoever. Then we can go for a short again this time round. Alright, and of course we are also looking at this level over here, support level of 1.6040. Alright, you can see that there is a lot of resistance at support at this level itself. Alright, so this could be a good chance. Alright, so that is for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we shall look at the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Again, very interesting. Right, this morning the inflation data for the New Zealand has actually fall below the forecast, but was similar to the previous data. So what we're seeing here is the price has tumbled and it reaches the, or rather it landed at the bottom of the rising trend channel, and right now we are seeing that a magic candle is about to reverse right in another hour or 30 minutes time. Zooming to the 1 hourly chart, well, there is already a reversal candle and confirmation is about to form. So in about 25 minutes, if it forms and it forms a confirmation, then that will be a very good chance for a long opportunity. Alright, of course, stop loss you can just set about, well, 32 to 22 to 32 pips below the low of the lowest candle, and that would be good enough. Now, of course, the level that we are looking at is the price of 0.8133 is a final exhaustion level, again measured by the Fibonacci expansion. And of course, it is due to the previous the previous pattern that we see on the weekly chart. When price reaches the 0.7700, alright, it tends to rebound all the way back to the top at the price of 0.8133. Alright, this is based on previous pattern, and right now the same thing is about to happen again. Okay, so that is for the New Zealand against the US dollar. And so after this four pairs, I would just like to touch on another pair, which is the Australia dollar against the US dollar. Right here we are seeing a very strong consolidation in the 4 hourly charts, and it is about to end, because it's almost at the end of the symmetrical triangle, and we are expecting a breakout very soon. Alright, so if it breaks above, I would say that a few levels to look at. Of course, the first level is the previous high of the retracement, alright, at the price of 0.8895, and if it breaks above, then we shall look at the price of 0.9000, which is the second level of exhaustion level, and followed by the final one at 0.9054. And of course, if it breaks below the first level you're going to look at is of course 0.8652, the previous low. Yep, so that is for the Australia against US dollar. Well, so that's all for today, and thank you for watching. I will see you again.